Okay, now we're going to look at part C, number 1. Notice that this has 3 parts to it. So we're going to complete a table, write an equation, and sketch a graph. So those are the 3 things that we're going to look at. So to start, let's take a look at our table. So it costs $1.50 to buy an individual episode of a TV show and $12 to buy a full season. Sarah has $36 to spend downloading shows. So if Sarah, and just pretend this says Sarah, that was obviously a mistake. Okay, if Sarah purchases 1 season, that's $12. So 36 minus 12 is 24. So she has $24 left to spend on individual episodes. So then I can do 24 divided by 150, and that gives me 16 episodes. So I'm going to fill that in on my box. Okay. Now, if she buys 5 episodes, 5 times 150 is $7.50. So I'm going to subtract that from my total. So 36 minus $7.50 gives me $28.50 to spend. Okay? So $28.50 divided by 12 is 2.375. So that means 2 seasons. Okay? And then if I buy 24 episodes, 24 times 150 is 36. So that's my full limit. I don't have any money left over to spend on full seasons. Okay? So that's how we fill in the table. So next we're going to write an equation with this relationship. So it costs $1.50 or 1.5 per episode, and it costs $12 per season. I'm going to kind of bold that so that we don't confuse my 5s and my S's. And if I add together the total amount that I'm spending on episodes and shows, it needs to equal $36. So now we're going to sketch a graph of the solutions to our equation. And I'm going to show you kind of a shortcut or a strategy you can use to help you to do a quick sketch. So first, I want to find my vertical intercept. So I want to figure out what my y, or in this case, what my s value is. Sorry. There we go. What my s value is when the number of episodes is 0. So if I plug in a 0 here, I'm going to end up with 12s equals 36. Then I can divide both sides by 12, and s equals 3. So what that tells me is that if I buy 0 episodes, I can get 3 full seasons. Okay? And then we already found up here the value of episodes if I get 0 seasons. If I get 0 seasons, I can get 24 individual episodes. Okay? And then last but not least, I'm going to connect those 2 dots with a line. So notice that it says sketch a graph. So it's okay if it's not exactly a perfect line, but you can see I've got basically a straight line that connects our true extreme values. So these are our answers for part C.